Alright guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are having a good day. So right now I'm going to show you how to debone a deer. But the main focus on this video is there is no reason to gut a deer. Unless you just need him to be lighter to drag him through the woods, there's no reason to gut a deer. If you want the tenderloins, I'm going to show everybody on here how to get the tenderloins from the back, from behind the back straps. And there's no reason to mess with taking the guts out of a deer. So that's a big thing that everybody's always saying, how do you get the tenderloins out? I'm going to show you how to get tenderloins out. So real quick, I'll show you how I debone a deer. So right here there's a knee. So you go under that knee, all the way around his leg, go from the top. You guys can see that bone there. So all the way to his femur. Then we're going to come around, go back up. And as you're cutting, make that knife go all the way to the bone. So now that knife's all the way onto the bone there. So back here, there's the bone. Come down that bone, all the way to the bottom. So then here you'll feel another pelvic bone come straight down to you. Push this meat back. Stay your knife on that bone, keep your knife on that pelvic in the back there, start lifting. Now right here, take your knife, come down, just follow that outline of that muscle, start taking it back. Alright, come over here now, spin them around. Now you'll feel this bone here, so you work this knife around this bone, right back down. So pull this meat back, and you just keep working it, and you'll get it where it'll just kind of fold back on you. There it is, there it comes, and it just unfolds off that bone. Then you grab it, you don't want it to fall and get dirty. And from here, right back in there. So again, there's the knee, come right to that bone, come up just like this, there's the bone, straight down, there's the bone again, straight down, get that pelvic area. It's actually a big buck that we had shot this morning by Henry here. Alright, come back again. Alright, so there's that bone. And follow your knife around it. Pull it back. And it's just going to fold right off.
Put them in the same bag or separate bag?
Same bag. Boom. Now we're doing the tenderloins. So right here where that back strap ends, right here, you can feel the top of that spine. So what you do is right where it ends to the top, you make a little incision. Make a little incision just like this. Don't go crazy, because you'll blow the guts all over you. So just like that. So now that's his inside, right? So right here, this meat that you see here, that's actually his tenderloins back there. So if we bring that camera over here, see his tenderloins right there? And that's his tenderloins right there we're looking at. So now you bring your hand just like this in, put your thumb on the top of those bones up there, and you're gonna grab that whole tenderloin. You're gonna go up and work it down. And boom. There's his tenderloins without having to gut them. No gutting necessary. No extra mess. No nothing. We'll go ahead and do this side. So, you guys see? Just score it lightly. Come up. Score it up like that. Just get it where you can really get it open. Now again, this is my thumb. My hand is behind on the front side of that tenderloin. My thumb is going to go on the top of it. There's my thumb right here. You go on the top of that tendon all the way to that spine. You go up against that tendon. You work your way down against the tendon. Up, down. Pull it out. Sometimes you don't even need to cut it really. Just slip your knife right in the backside of it and boom. There's your tenderloin right there. No reason to gut it. That's the easy way I found to get the tenderloins out without having to gut it, create a big mess, and you need a bucket to put the guts in, then you got to go dump it. Here, when I'm done, all this meat's gone. It's one single sweep. So right now we're going to take the legs. Put that leg here. There's that bone. Down. This same thing. All you're doing is just tracing his bone, getting all that meat off that deer because we don't want to waste. There's that front shoulder. Front shoulder, and then neck meat. Some people bypass the neck meat, but it's actually really good for hamburger. It's really good ground up meat there, and it's actually very tender. So same thing, you cut just like I just did, let it fold, let it hang down. There's the spine all the way to his neck. You're gonna let it hang down. Just follow that spine and his neck all the way up. Just like a sheet of paper. That is great for ground hamburger. The shoulder's done the same way. So we're not gonna drag out this clip too long. Just quick short video. The main thing was just to show you guys how to get that tenderloins from the back straps without gutting it. But now you guys kind of know how to debone. We're gonna go back up here and do the same thing. Debone from there. Same thing down here, and same thing with the neck meat. But I appreciate you guys for watching. We're after some big bucks. Camera Kev's after a giant 10. Hopefully he can lay it down before rifle season. See what's gonna happen. If not, he might just let that rifle eat. So keep you guys in touch. Stay extreme. Thank you for watching.